Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can report a shop on Etsy. Keep watching the video till the end. To report a shop on Etsy, firstly open your Google search. Type in etsy.com and make a search. The official page of Etsy will appear on the screen. Log into your account if you have not logged in. Now, to report a shop on Etsy, tap on any product of the shop you want to report. Scroll all the way down and click on the owner of the product. Here, at the end of the list, listed on left-hand side of the screen, click on Report this shop to Etsy. Choose a reason on why you want to report this shop, and this is how you can report a shop on Etsy quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.